Hey guys, what's up? So Toby's showing top best share Tuesday, 5, 11, 12, and 13, but 13.7. Some tweets do support us 14, by the way. First tweet's called Instagram Plus. It's a must-have Instagram tweak. So basically, what this tweet does, it's basically an Instagram Plus alternative. So yeah, it's actually some pretty cool features it has. See unsent direct messages, comment translation, clean experience, media downloader, watch story or live without them knowing, story video editor, copy comment text, various information, low data mode. Show total likes and views, add limited accounts, full resolution profile picture, disable quick reactions, unlimited media replay, direct message, disable type in, status, direct message, so there's a bunch of them. So it gives you a bunch of features for the Instagram app. This is called Mikoto, and basically what this tweak does, it's a tweak that allows you to customize various parts of iOS along with several App Store apps like YouTube and Twitter. So you have these features right here. This is called Celio, a proper APT client for iOS 11 and higher, so it's basically a city alternative. This is called Fleetsless, how to remove Twitter fleets. This is called Screenshot1n, and basically what this tweet does, it allows you to place screenshot inside a photo frame, dual iPhone setup, easily display your lock screen and springboard side by side. So if you're like a YouTuber like me, and you make, like for thumbnails, I make mock-ups, this is a perfect app that helps you do that. This is called Fuji or Fudgy, multitasking tweak. So, yeah, pretty cool. You see multitasking multiple windows right there. This is called Battery Flow Reborn, fully compatible with iOS 13 and 14. It allows you to completely customize low power alerts. Version of Battery Flow has been heavily rewritten to work on the newest devices. This is called Flee and Chances, disable which fleets in the Twitter app. This is called Fleetus Deletus. I like the way that sounds. And basically, they find Twitter's new feature annoying. This tweak you're looking for, it enables you to toggle into Fleetus Deletus, preferences, close Twitter, and then you're done. This is called Dope Combos. Basically, make sure messages app dope. This is called Floaty Tab. Make sure tab bar floaty. This is called Call Recorder S Plus. Record any phone call or VIP call on your device without using an external call service. So it supports these apps right here. So yeah, you get easy access to recordings from personal computer, directly download, delete, or play them from the device. So just realize there is a legal notice, guys. Me or the creator of this tweak are not taking responsibility for how you use it. Just realize in some laws or some counties, there's laws that you have to let the person know or the other party know that you are recording the phone call. If you don't and they find out, you could get in trouble. So make sure you guys comply with these laws. This is called Apps Manager. This tool provides a way to wipe, backup, restore app data for installed apps. This is called MagSafe, and basically with this tweak, MagSafe charging indicator just like iOS 14, but it does work on iOS 13. This is called ETS264 video recorder for the H.264MP EG4 APC standard. This is called libETS264 dev video coding library, and this is just called a central virtual package to keep you safe from installing all of your package managers. This is called Lobelius, redesign your lock screen player. This is called Switch Shades, bring color to your app switcher based on your app icon with nice color transition while scrolling. This is called Court, notifications redefined. This is called Fake GPS or Fake GPS Pro, iOS 5.1.1 to 14.2, change your iPhone's location. This is called Alkaline Faint Battery V2 Gift, and basically a faint battery by soda. And the last tweet is called Fast LPM, and basically allows you to simply tap on the status bar to toggle low power mode. So you have these features right here. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.